Hi everybody, it's Kathy here, and it is that time of the week. It is the weekly roundup from my desk to your desk. So thanks everybody for watching this week. If you have left me a comment, I really appreciate it. Don't forget the thumbs up, people. That's what YouTube wants to see. They want to see that you're coming back. They want to see that you're watching, and thanks for all those people that do each and every time I put a video up. It really does make my day watching those numbers flick over and see that you are actually engaging with what I'm doing and liking what I'm doing. It has been a busy week. It is the it's the last week of the school holidays, and actually today's the last day. Tomorrow I head back to my other desk, the work desk, the one that allows me to do my crafting, because I've got to go to work to earn the dollars so I can purchase the things to create my layouts. So crafting will take a backseat, unfortunately, and I think the weekly roundup would be really important as we move forward, just to keep in touch with you, keep you up to date with what's going on, and catching up on all the layouts that I do throughout the week or don't get done, or all of those sorts of things. I'm going to try really hard to keep the content happening for you, but unfortunately as the term rolls on, I get really bogged down with things like school reports to read, athletics carnivals to coordinate, big fun days with the school to do. But thankfully, there are 2 long weekends this term, so that's a great bonus as well. Extra days for crafting, extra days for creating for you. But I will always have Scrap Left Crafting on a Sunday, so make sure you come and check that one out. That is a must. It will always happen. There will also be creative team layouts going up this week as well from 3/4 designs that I have just completed, and you are going to love those. All right, so I'm going to run through what I did this week. There were 7 layouts in all. Some were a little bit late for the pops, but some were not, and I really do appreciate that you are sticking around to check out what's happening. Now, I really do thank you as subscribers for coming back every single time to watch. You really make this channel grow, and it is an organic growing, which is great, which means that you like what I'm doing and you come back, and I really do appreciate that. Also, if you are watching and you get a chance to, don't forget that big thumbs up. It lets YouTube know that you like what I'm doing, and it keeps my content being pushed out there so that I don't get lost in the big grand cloud of YouTube. So please, I really do appreciate everything that you do to keep this channel surviving. And if you're new to my channel, I hope today I've done something to encourage you to go and check out some of my videos and hopefully subscribe, because my personal goal, not for any other reason, is just to prove that I could reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you can help me out, if you're new to my channel, that would be awesome as well. So without further ado, I am going to go back straight to my desk and we're going to go through the layouts. This is a great time, if you miss one, for you to go back and find it and check it before it becomes lost in the plethora of all the videos that I do. And don't forget, shorts are a great way of catching up on what I'm doing as well. And there will be shorts throughout the week, I can assure you. If not whole layouts, then at least some crafty tips and tricks. So thanks again, everybody. And let's go and check out what I've been doing on my desk this week. Okay, so it was 7 layouts, people. Let's go through them. This one here was for the strip tees, where we used our branding strips to make banners. And this one here came across. I love this page. I think it's great. I love the papers. They were Scrapbook Fantasies ones. The video has all the details in it. I'm just loving how that turned out. Layers. Bit of metal being added in here, some brads, some Nuvo drops, more brads, string. Yep, lots happening on that layout, and I like how it turned out. What do you reckon? Do you like that bit? I do. All right, this one here was for my 100 patterned paper challenge. Yay, I'm kicking it off. I've got the first one done. It's only weeks behind. I think I've got 13 weeks to catch up. That's okay. Got time to do that. This one here, I was doing the 3-2-1. 3 pattern papers, 2 clusters. They were my focal clusters. This was an added 2 clusters and 1 photo. An easy way of getting through your stock especially when you're getting that bogged down with too many choices. So this was a really cute little layout to get done. This one here was for the cut file craze, where we had to use a cut file and use it on our layout. I love this cut file. This is just beautiful. Can you see a theme happening here, people? These are all cruise photos. I have so many of them. Be prepared. My daughter's album these are for. She is a funny little girl. Funny little one, this one. So I'm doing her album. This one here was for keeping it simple sometimes, and we're using fishtail banners this time. So I was looking at the fishtail banners, and you can see how this one has come together quite easily. Very cute. Captain Feathersword, my hero. And I just love it. Yep, only me would go on a cruise and get excited about being with the Wiggles. This one here was Mix It Up Monday, and this was a fantastic sketch by the Paper Snob. Tara, she's amazing. She put this sketch in. She challenged us to create it using it, mixing it up. So we're all gone in, and you will have seen all of these flooded through Instagram and through Facebook and social media, because it was such a great sketch and challenge, and everybody took it on. And then I had these cute little embellishments from my group that I'm a part of, Girls Down Under. If you're an Australian and you're interested in embellishment swaps, that's a great group on Facebook. Go check it out. Karen is awesome at organising all of our swaps. And then this was Scrap Lift Crafternoon, and you know I love Scrap Lift Crafternoon. It's one of my favourite times of the week. I will do this hop no matter what. Once again, Tara organises that. She's our chief of that group, and there's 10 of us that do it. And this was the layout that we had to do last week, which was last Sunday. Very cool. I'm liking it. Once again, another cruise photo. I just love how that came. A little bit of mixed media here in the background. You know, some puffy stickers, which are not my normal go-to, but look really good here. Thickers here for the title. And then Mel from Mel W Scrapping and I, once a month, as part of our Scrapper Sketch team role, we have gone right back to the beginning, and this was December 2021, Day 7 challenge. So this was the layout that I created for that one, where Mel and I do hop once a month, every second Saturday of the month. And look at that. Isn't it cute? I love it. These and this were also from my Girls Down Under swap group, where I got those embellishments from somebody on the group, and that's all in my video if you want to go and check it out. So that's a wrap for this week. What do you reckon? Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I really like this. I think he's cute. I really like this page. This was quite simple and easy. I love that cut file. That is just stunning. This was a cutie, and it's used up those papers. They're now in an album instead of sitting in my stash. These papers were from 2005, people. 2005. And I have to say, this is my favorite. I love this one. This one here with the branding strips. This is my favorite layout of the week. Love it. Let me know in the comments which one you like the best. And if you haven't seen the video for one of these, go check them out. It's easier to do it week by week than it is trying to find it down the track. Go and check this one out. This was from Striptease. I love it. And I'm going to see you next week. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Well, that's a wrap, everybody. And managed 7. So school holidays, I thought I would have got more, but you know, that's how it goes. We've got to live life too, and it does take over. But what was your favourite one? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd really like to know, and I will get back to you. I promise I'll get back and leave you a comment back in return. But I have a favour, everybody. If you've been over onto my Facebook page, Kathy Loves to Scrap, you'll see that I put a call out. I have a series idea playing around. I want to revamp one that I've done in the past, but I'm going to hush because it'll come through in May, and I want you to challenge me. I'm asking for you, if you are a subscriber, to leave me a layout on that post that you want me to have a go at, that you want me to have a scrap lift of, because I want to pay homage to you, because you're important. You're what makes this channel works, and I really want to acknowledge the fantastic crafters that we have in this community. So if you want me to have a go at one of your layouts, choose one, think what's going to challenge me, and put it there, and I'll have a go at it over the next couple of months in the future, and I will give you a big shout out. But stay tuned for that because it's coming in May. And I'll see you real soon, everybody. Have a great week, and thanks again for tuning in. I really do appreciate your support. It makes my life so much happier when I come on to my stats and I see that you've been watching. See you real soon. Have a great week, and don't forget, stay creative, friends.